Hi there, today we're going to learn about how to add a checkbox to a form in our Wix website. So here I am in my Wix website and I want to add the checkbox form right here. So what we'll do, we will add a new element and then go to contact and forms and create a new form and then click create a new form. And from here, we will be redirected to the dashboard of our Wix forms. Then we can create our checkbox form right here. So you just need to scroll down and add a checkbox option. And then we can add some other details such as first name and last name. And then we can drag this to the bottom of our form and then you can edit this into like that. And then we can make this a required field so that the user cannot click the submit button once they haven't checked the corresponding checkbox. You can also make the first name and last name as required fields. So you can also choose some placeholder text if you want to, so that the user will know what to enter in the first name and last name details in their forms. And then from here, you can also click on preview to preview the look of your form. And then you can also click on settings if you want to edit some more advanced settings right here. And then from the submissions tab, you can see all of the submissions that the users of your website has done for your checkbox form. Then once you're done, you can click on save. But if you want to edit the look of the checkbox some more, you can adjust the size, you can drag and drop it around, you can make the text into bold, and then so on and so forth. And then from here, once you're done, just click on the save button, and then we just close this one. And then we have our form right here. And then we can just drag it to our bottom section. You can also adjust the size like that. And then now we have our checkbox form right here. If you want to edit some other settings, you can go to settings and then layout. You can change the side paddings, top and bottom paddings, the spacing between rows, spacing between columns, the design. You can change the background if you want, like that. You can change the opacity. You can have a border, for example, like that. And if you have a border right here, you can also change the border width and then the corner of the border. You can also add a shadow if you want. Like that. You can also design some other things like the form fields. You can change the look of your boxes. You can change the state. You can also edit the background of the form fields, corner radius, the border color, and so on and so forth. And then you can also have a header and paragraph, and then the buttons, and then the look of the submit button. And then once you're done, just close this one and then click on preview, and then we'll be led right here. And now we have our text box form, and we can see that it is working. So that's how you add a text box form into the Wix website, and I hope you learn how to do it, and thank you for watching.